In today's video, we will review some mold prevention tips for your home. One of the first things we will talk about is potential moisture problems. Always look out for moisture or condensation, especially on or around windows. If you see condensation, make sure you frequently wipe those areas down to avoid standing water. Next, keep the humidity levels in your home between 30 to 50%. High humidity levels over 60% can promote mold growth. One of the most effective ways to reduce the humidity levels in your home is by using a dehumidifier. On nice days, you can open your window and let fresh air in. Another tip is to make sure you vent moisture-generating appliances to the exterior of your home. This includes when cooking. Always ensure that exhaust vents are cleaned frequently, operable, and in good condition. In bathrooms, make sure you use an exhaust vent when taking showers. It's a good practice to run it for 15 minutes after showering to vent moisture outdoors. Ensure your HVAC is operating correctly. Look for any standing water or condensation on or around the unit. This condition could signify that there is an issue with the system. Also, remember to change your AC filters frequently. The next tip is to avoid blocking your AC vents. These devices allow air to circulate in your home. Blocking them can lead to mold growth problems. Probably the most important thing when it comes to preventing mold growth is controlling moisture problems and fixing them promptly. This means if there is a leak, ensure it gets fixed promptly to avoid any damage to your home. You should act quickly. Once a material becomes wet, mold can begin to form in as little as 24 to 48 hours. If mold growth begins, repairs can become costly. If you have leaks that causes items to become wet, dry the material quickly. In most cases, you can use a shop vac or a dehumidifiers to remove excess moisture from wet items like carpets and floors. You can also use a portable fan to assist with the dry-out process. If the materials aren't dried out properly, you can expect to see mold development in a short amount of time. Avoid placing carpet in moisture-prone areas like undercoolers, in bathrooms, and in kitchen areas. The last tip we will share is to ensure that your gutters and downspouts are clean. Downspouts should drain away from the foundation of your house. We hope you found this information useful. Thank you for watching.